Iranon from Sabah, Malaysia, in our place in Bangsamoro, Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, here in the Iranon Corridor, particularly in Parang Maguindanao, Parang Magandanao. So mga pagaritano, miyakaganap siya sa Malaysia, the Iranon delegation coming from the Sabah, Malaysia, headed by our no less than the former Speaker of the Malaysian Parliament, the Honorable Tan Sri Pandikar Amin Haji Mulia, palakpakan po natin. And the other delegation, Muhammad Saidani Pandikar Amin, Puan Sri Diana Diego and family. Please raise your hand to be recognized. I will just mention some names. I know you are 68 delegates here present. Saira Saidani Pandukar Amin, Sairudi Pandikar Amin, Dr. Kasim Mansur, Professor Moja Dr. Pifi Hasmida Saikim, and all the delegates who are here today. Sukran rakano ang mga pagalami mga Iranon miyakatalabog sa Imantoya Gawi. Some of our constituents don't believe that you can understand Iranon. That is why I speak a little Iranon for them to prove that we are, I think, blood and relation long time before, and we are now renewing our being a brother and sister in Malaysia, in Brunei, Indonesia, in the Philippines. And also our guest in our place, the former Secretary Attorney Abdullah Mamao, the best friend of the former President Duterte. I am very much surprised and glad that you are here, my brother Secretary Mamao. My brother, the Deputy Minister Dr. Ibrahim Ibay, who happens to be a former mayor of this municipality, our very supportive Vice Mayor, Adnan C. Biruan, and the Sangguniang members who are very much supported on our administration. That is why we have the Parang Magandanao, the Pleasant Parang. Thank you very much to the Port Administrator Salipada Alungan. Thank you very much for accommodating us in this Pulyok Report. Lieutenant Colonel John De La Cruz, the Battalion Commander of the Marine 2nd Landing Team, the Director Marites Maginra, who is very active in this Iranon. Kanyan, so inipakawit Amiro sa Malaysia. The Iranon Sultanate of the Philippines, headed by the President Sultan Pangay Ibay, being represented by the Vice President Attorney Pilandok. And the other sultans who are here today, please stand up to be recognized. Di ko dun mabuto sa mga ngairan nyo, kakataon ko Madakarkano, so 28, ito ni ngaran nyo to? Muntasara. Musantara, di Erano Muntasara. Sukran kano lango na mga pagariami, ang mga Iranon in the Philippines. Attorney Soharto Abbas, sir, thank you very much. So langunos kan Dubaya, miyakatalabok, so Chief Minister Tano Ahod Ibrahim Bala, siya ko langunos kan Dubaya, sukuran ko. bago ko batiado talaga so speech ko na dito kagagawan ako kung kano ba yung mga pag-arami mga Iranon kaya pianyo tuon nami kami saya sa Maguindanao del Norte. Diyan mi kalipatan taman na kami tamang kuha-kuha nami panutulami sa mga pagaritan ng mga Malaysian Iranon na miyong matanbilan sa dataniran kalipati. Na maslad na ya ikipan tagar kami di kabayadan niya sa kwarta. This will remain in our heart that you really love us, your in the Maguindanao or in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. To begin, let me welcome distinguished guests who come along the way from Malaysia to visit our humble locality, Parang Maguindanao del Norte. Welcome to Parang, and I hope that you enjoy your visit here. As a background, Parang is coastal municipality in the province of Maguindanao del Norte. Its population is composed of 70% Muslim, mostly Iranon, and 30% Christian. Parang is a home of diverse culture which speaks and married together to form a distinct Paranggenyo identity that has rich culture and warm hospitality. And also I would like to recognize my friend, the Mayor of Sultan Mastura, Mayor Julpicar Panda. No? Sorry, my friend, but you are really recognized and welcome. To continue, aside from our people, it is also fair to say that Parang possesses a good location which is conducive to investment and growth. It is considered as a center and melting pot of the Iranon municipalities surrounding the locality. Every resident from the borders of Lanao go to Parang to conduct their business and every dealing, since we have financial institutions such as banks, the land bank and the BDO, public markets, schools, and a hospital. Parang also offers accessible means of transportation that could transport and connect people to different places. Aside from the local transportation within the municipality, people who wish to visit our beautiful area through public transportation can do so by taking the van or the bus. We also have the one and only, the Freeport and Ecozone in the Central Mindanao, the Pulyok Freeport Ecozone will be being introduced by Attorney Sukarno Abbas. Its efficient caters to common carrier by sea which transport goods to and from the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region to the different areas of the country and even overseas. The close proximity of Parang to Cotabato City, Cotabato Province and Lanao gave Pulyok Port and Ecozone the crucial role in the exchange of goods and trade in the region. Aside from goods, passengers as well, such as fellow Bangsamoro from the other islands of Basulta, have been successfully transported back to their homeland through the Pulyok Freeport and Ecozone. The recent passage of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Act, number 37, establishing Parang Maguindanao del Norte as the seat of government of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. The local government of Parang has been taking much effort to prepare the locality in welcoming the regional government. We aim that Parang will be among the best municipalities in the region and in the country as well, so that it will serve as good example and inspiration to others for continuous improvement. In terms of peace and order, Parang is a peace-loving community with a very low crime rate. The LGU Parang sees to it that relevant laws, rules, and regulations are set and implemented in order to regulate and maintain the peace and order among the populace. In turn, Parangueños also give high regards on laws, rules, and regulations imposed by the local authorities. In addition, the regional headquarters of Philippine National Police, PNP Probar, is located in Barangay Making, Parang, Maguindanao del Norte. And the Philippine Marines Battalion in Barangay Nituan, Parang, Maguindanao del Norte, greatly aided in the security of our people. With the Bangsamoro government goal to make the region a major economic player in the BIP Iaga, we also hope that Parang will be included as an important tool in such goal. With Parang rich potential and strategic geographically, since it is located near the border of Lanao in north, North Cotabato in the west, Cotabato City in the south, and the two newly created provinces of province of Maguindanao. We believe that extending the barter trade in this area would greatly contribute the economic growth of the region. This will not only benefit the Parangueños, but to the nearby provinces as well. Hence, we hope that barter trade under BIP Iaga in the islands of Basurta will be extended here in Parang, hopefully. Truly, this will make exchange of more goods accessible to the Bangsamoro people. Lastly, we are happy to welcome the influx of investment and plans on helping us improve our economy. This will give more job opportunities and livelihood to our locals. We welcome new members of our community and we hope that they will help in uplifting our locality as a whole. That's all. Maraming salamat. Sukran kano ang mga pagarami, ang mga iranon sa Malaysia. Gusto ba ya mga pagarami? Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Barang ninta na ba doon? Mas magkabagar so kapag tatabanga ulang unus kita na ba ya matur. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Waalaikumsalam.